Black holes are super cool, but if space is black and the holes are black, how do we see them? Hey astronomers and enthusiasts, Trace here from D-News with our weekly space update. NASA announced this week that the New Star spacecraft has spotted 10 supermassive black holes using its powerful X-ray telescope. The New Star was launched in June of last year for the purpose of bagging black holes. It's huge. The thing is as long as a bus and uses these really powerful telescope optics plus X-ray light waves to penetrate the billions of miles into deep space. The thing that caught our eye here in the D newsroom is a line from the NASA press release. We found the black holes serendipitously. That's fancy talk for it was an accident. Like this poor little frog from the Lady launch earlier this week, these black holes were doing some epic space photobombing. In case you're unfamiliar with a black hole, they occur when a giant star collapses. A star is a constant nuclear furnace, exploding matter and creating heat and light, and the force of those explosions, when a star is healthy, is balanced with the amount of matter inside the star. All that mass has huge levels of gravity, enough to throw planets around and protect them from other giant gravity systems out there in space. When it runs out of nuclear fuel, the gravity wins out and the mass starts falling toward a central point. If the star in question is particularly large, all that mass builds up, growing in gravitational force, squeezing the little ball in the middle smaller and smaller and denser until finally, boom! A black hole forms. At this point, there is so much gravity, because there's so much mass, that even light cannot escape its pull. But it's also able to swing whole star systems around itself now, because, you know, the center of our galaxy is a black hole, a giant one, and it's what holds the Milky Way together. Mind blown yet? So as other material falls into these supermassively dense black holes, the matter releases X-ray energy, and that's what the New Star spacecraft has picked up. Black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating things we have found out there in our universe. We did not even know they existed until the 1970s, though they were theorized by Einstein far earlier. Scientists believe right after the Big Bang, some tiny black holes may have formed spinning off into the universe, helping to start the early galaxies as little seeds of today's supermassive black holes. So, are the 10 black holes we accidentally discovered special? Not on their own, but as we learn more about each and discover how they're similar or different, we will get a better picture of how the universe actually works out there. I happen to think black holes are super cool, you guys. Things don't get sucked into them, by the way. They fall into them because, you know, gravity. What gets you excited about space? We're going to be doing this every single week, so let us know on Twitter @DNews, and maybe we'll talk about it on next Friday's Space Update. Also, make sure that you favorite testtube.com/DNews so you can get all of our videos all week. Thanks for stopping by, everybody.